Hello dear viewers, welcome to my new video. We are going to fix a problem of WordPress. When we install a new theme or plugin in WordPress, if that plugin and theme version don't match with each other or any technical problems occur. So in this case, we often receive a message there has been critical error on your website. So, first of all, you must log in your cPanel. After login, we see our dashboard and then search File Manager. Now click on File Manager and then open public.html. Afterward, click on WP Content. Now rename this plugin folder and refresh your website. Now you can see everything is running smoothly.